Imagine winds so fierce they could uproot trees and topple buildings. The 1962 Columbus Day storm, also known as the Big Blow, is an unforgettable chapter in weather history for the Pacific Northwest. On October 12th, a powerful extratropical cyclone roared ashore, packing winds exceeding 150 miles per hour. This atmospheric monster wreaked havoc across Northern California, Oregon, Washington, and British Columbia. It caused 46 fatalities and millions in damage, leaving a trail of destruction in its wake. Entire forests were leveled, electrical grids crippled, and communities plunged into darkness. The storm's intensity rivaled that of a Category 3 hurricane, making it one of the most powerful non-tropical storms in U.S. history.